Today's daily cipher for HAMSTER KOMBAT. So without wasting much time, the first thing we need to do is to come here. So we tap on it for us to enter our daily cipher dashboard. So the daily cipher for today is Oracle, ORACLE. So then we go to our cipher section. This is the cipher dashboard here. So you can tap anywhere here. So then for dot, you just tap on the screen. Dash, you long press. You long put your hand here for like 2 seconds. You release it. That's dash. So the first letter here is Oracle. That's 3 dash. So that's our O. Then R dot dash dot dash dot. So that's our R. Then A, that's dot and dash. Then our C, dash dot dash dot. So our C is dash dot dash dot dash dot dash dot. That's our C. Then our L, dot dash dot dash dot. So that's our L. Then E, that's dot. So that's our daily cipher for today. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like our video, so that you can be getting more updates from us from time to time. So see you in our next video.